Alright guys, how's it going? It's Friday night. Sorry, no videos this week. It hasn't been the best. Been quiet, been in the transit a bit. So, Truckfest Wales, as you can see, we've got the telly on with the flag. So I'll flip you around and you'll see. So we have got the escort van. We've got Birdie's truck. It's alright. With a Network Rail fire engine on. And then we got Justin in FP55, all shining. Got Tim, our stores guy, in the mid lift, and then one of the pride of the fleet. Got my truck. We're gonna shine on them. Like, look at that mirror, wheels and dusted. Wheel trims. Like, look at that. Reflection. I've also got my new curtains, which you can just see that. And then my table, which is only for show purposes. With MTJ on it, Mad Trucker Joe. All shining. Then you got Hannah in the teacup, as you can see, she's waving. Then we've got the telehandler 7 metre. I'm filming! With a flag on, Fitzgerald's flag. And then the 15-tonner Sani with the Welsh flag on. Ben with the pride of the fleet, his XG Plus with rear seat tag. Speaking of the devil, there he is. Getting his wagon, his pride and joy polished up.
Alright, darling.
Absolutely stunning.
Alright, mate.
So, yeah. And then got our little escort van there. If you're at Truckfest Wales, we are literally, the entrance is there. You can't miss that big ass flag. So, got the full fleet here. Come and see us. We have got goodie bags, so you might have a bit of footage over the weekend. Really, Hannah? So yeah, there'll be more footage over the weekend, but this is just a short snippet of our fleet. So catch you on the flip side, guys. Alright guys, happy Monday. Hope you enjoyed your weekend and enjoying your bank holiday weekend. The other half is just out on a fun ride with one of her friends. I'm being taxi driver for the pair of them. Fantastic weekend at Bilf. Really enjoyed it. The other half didn't come with us this one because it's too far to travel. We won something, which we were all shocked. The T-Cab won best non-working show truck. So we won a truck. We won first place with that. We're all over the moon with that. Got one more show to go, which is Newark. I've been given some pointers because I was apparently 3 points off from again highly commended. So I know what I'm aiming for now. I'm going to absolutely nail it. So this is the end of the video. I'm going to put some snippets after this of how the truck's looked and the ending video. So thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed your weekend. See you next week. Catch you on the flip side.